In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lorem Ipsum text in Figma. If you're designing a layout and want to see how real copy will look without waiting for final content, Lorem Ipsum is a quick way to fill text layers with believable placeholder paragraphs. Let's walk through the process so you can add it confidently and keep your design flow moving. Start by opening the Figma file you want to work in. Make sure you're in the correct page and zoomed into the frame or components where your text will live. It helps to check that your text layers are already created, even if they just say something like text or headline. Now, look at the bottom panel in Figma and click the Actions button. This opens a compact menu that gives you access to helpful tools. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can search for tools that extend Figma's functionality and speed up common tasks like generating placeholder content. In the search field, type Lorem Ipsum. You'll see a list of results appear. Select the plugin named Lorem Ipsum, published by a trusted source. Figma will open it in a panel so you can use it without leaving your file. If it's your first time, you might see a short loading moment the first time it runs. Before generating anything, select the text you want to convert. Click a single text layer or hold Shift to select multiple layers at once. Make sure the selection includes the exact text objects where you want the content to appear. The plugin will replace what's inside those layers, not create new ones. If your text box uses auto layout, that's fine. Figma will reflow as needed. With your text selected, go to the plugin and click Auto Generate. The plugin instantly fills your selected layers with Lorem Ipsum paragraphs, matching the formatting you already set. Font, size, color, alignment, and spacing stay intact. If the text overflows or gets truncated, simply resize the text box or adjust line height and width to fit your layout. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't like the result, press undo and run. Auto-generate again for a fresh variation. For headings or shorter labels, you can trim the text after generation to keep it concise. And if you plan to reuse this often, keep the plugin open while you work so you can regenerate quickly as your layout evolves. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Try it now in your file and see how your design comes to life with realistic placeholder text.